Since February 24, 2023, our system ranks TQQQ as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -5.456. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for TQQQ, our last headline reads, "Very red day for TQQQ ETF price after -5.06% fall in Friday trading session." The TQQQ ETF price fell by -5.06% on the last day, Friday, February 24, 2023, from $22.93 to $21.77. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 3.19% from a day low at $21.35 to a day high of $22.03. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a -10.49% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -7 million shares, and in total, 172 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.74 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $62.96, and the lowest price was $16.10. Right now the price is 65.42%, or $41.19, below 52-week high, and 88.59%, or $169.11, below all-time high January 8, 2021, where the price hit $190.88. The ETF lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 18.48% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 3.14% and 52.3%. The 12-month trend indicates a -54.75% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -98.22% and -47.85%. This equals a price between $0.387 and $11.35 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for TQQQ. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The TQQQ ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $23.44 and $22.29. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 2, 2023, and so far it has fallen -19.10%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 47 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 20 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $19.71 and $17.64. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, TQQQ finds support just below today's level at $19.71. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $17.64 and $17.30. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $0.680 between high and low, or 3.19%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 4.43%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, TQQQ meets first resistance at $21.80. If you do not hold TQQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, TQQQ finds first level of support at $19.71, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is TQQQ ETF a buy? The TQQQ ETF holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe TQQQ will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 27th, we expect TQQQ to open down $0.0533 and start trading at $21.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember